So excited to be doing the 12 days of Christmas with you. I don't like long intros. You don't like long intros. Let's get started. Sorry, I do have to do a little commercial. I'm sorry. But all of the videos will be here in this playlist. And then all of the printables are free and they'll be down below. Okay, now let's get started. Alrighty, let's get started. We will need chord C, F, G7, and D. But if that's really difficult for you and you don't like the other fingering options for D, then you can do a D7. This is an open D7. For the strumming, it depends on your ability level. So you can do just down strums. And if you can only do down strums, then a way to add a little bit of variety there is to do one kind of soft, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, loud. And if you're more advanced, then throw in an island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And if you're even more advanced, then add a chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck, down, chuck, up, chuck. And if you would like to learn how to chuck, I'll have a tutorial right here so you can learn. Let's play through the song. I will coach you through it. If there's anything that's super difficult, we'll come back to it and review. So don't worry, we will go through this slowly and I will teach you the different parts. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do on that part? I think everything is pretty simple. Just stop on the word tonight, and then go to G7, oh, and then we go back to C for jingles. Okay, so let's try on what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jing. Okay, and we'll keep going. Here we go. 1, 2, from G7. Ready, go. Ride and sing, sleighing a song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Ride and sing, sleighing a song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Everything is pretty simple. The only thing I want to review with you is the switch from C to D7 to G7. So we have C chord, play that with your ring finger, and then pivot the hand inward. So notice how my hand is open, like the letter C, okay? So when I'm playing C, my hand is open, and then to go to D, my hand pivots inwards. That way the fingers can fall from the top of the ukulele, and that way I fit the fingers for D7. Otherwise, if I have them here, this one kind of bleeds or falls into the 3rd fret, and that won't give us the right harmony we're looking for. So keep the hands over here all the way up to the head. So we have C and D7 and then G7. So that's a really tricky jump. Let's try those. C, D7, G7. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. let's add the F before it. Here we go. 1, 2, F before. Ready, go. 1, 2, C, D7, G7. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, let's add the singing. So we always kind of add a layer to things as we're learning them. Here we go. 1, 2. Add the singing. Ready, go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, last time. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. Okay, so let's take it from the chorus, the Jingle Bells version part. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. If you want to be really cheesy with your ending at a G7 and then a C, that's if you're adding the extra cheese. So let's take it from the top and see how we do. If you get stuck on any part, we have timestamps on the first comment down below. You can skip back to any part of the video. That way you don't have to like try and search for it. Here we go, beginning. 1, 2, C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Tricky part that kind of stumbled us on the play along was the stop on the word tonight. Pause the video here and practice that a bunch of times so you kind of get it in your fingers and in your memory, and then when you come back we will play through the whole song. Welcome back, let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. think you got it that time. How fun! That was so much fun! I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below, did I go too slow, too fast, or just right? I want to know, because whenever you guys give me feedback, I use that to improve the next video. If you go back to my videos, don't. But if you did, if you went back like a year and a half ago, it was so cringy, but all of your feedback has helped make this a better learning channel. So thank you, and I will see you for the next video. All right, sayonara.